Wow, the Alhambra, Granada's most iconic monument, where history and architecture blend into a stunning masterpiece. Founded by the Moors in the mid-13th century, the Alhambra stands as a testament to the sophisticated culture and artistic achievement of the Nasrid dynasty. Let's embark on a journey through its halls and gardens to discover the 7 best spots within this historical complex. So, let's dive into the heart of Andalusian heritage. Begin your journey at the fortress, the Alhambra's military quarter. Its towers, including the famous watchtower, offer unmatched views of Granada. The Alcazaba's strategic significance and ancient allure set the stage for exploring the complex's depth. The Alcazaba, the fortress of the Alhambra, stands as a testament to Moorish military architecture and strategic ingenuity. Serving as the oldest part of the complex, it was primarily built for defense purposes, overlooking the city of Granada and providing a vantage point that was crucial for the protection of the Nasrid dynasty. The fortress is characterized by its robust walls, formidable towers, and the remnants of what were once living quarters for the soldiers. At the heart of Alcazaba is the Torre de la Vela, a watchtower that offers panoramic views of Granada and the surrounding Sierra Nevada mountains. Climbing the tower is a journey through history, as each step brings visitors closer to the sky, offering a perspective that the Moorish guards once held vigil over. The military significance of the Alcazaba cannot be overstated. Its walls have withstood numerous sieges and attacks over the centuries, each time emerging as a symbol of resilience. The strategic design includes several points of defense, including arrow slits, battlements, and a complex entrance that was designed to confuse and slow down attackers. Despite its primary role as a military fortress, the Alcazaba also housed some of the most important members of the military elite. The remnants of their dwellings offer a glimpse into the daily life of those who lived within its walls, balancing the demands of military duty with the comforts of home. Today, the Alcazaba stands not only as a reminder of the past, but also as a beacon for those seeking to understand the complexity of Moorish architecture and the history of al-Andalus. Visitors are encouraged to explore its grounds, walk along its ramparts, and imagine life as it was during the height of the Nasrid dynasty. The heart of Alhambra. These palaces are a testament to Moorish art and architecture. The Mehwar for meetings, the Comares Place with its ambassador's hall, and the intimate Palace of the Lions each offer a unique glimpse into Islamic royalty's life. The Nasrid palaces are the soul of the Alhambra, a dazzling display of Islamic art and architecture at its finest. These palaces were the heart of the Nasrid dynasty, serving as a royal residence, court, and administrative center. Each palace within the complex tells its own story. From the Mehwar used for meetings and judicial affairs, to the majestic Comares Palace, which housed the Sultan's throne room, symbolizing the political power and artistic achievement of the Nasrid rulers. The most enchanting of them all, however, is the Palace of Lions, named after its famous courtyard with the alabaster fountain supported by lions. This palace represents the zenith of Nasrid art, with its intricate muqarnas, stalactite ceiling decorations, delicate arches, and detailed tilework that create a stunning visual poetry. Walking through these palaces, visitors are enveloped in an atmosphere of historical grandeur and artistic refinement. The interplay of light and shadow, the flowing water, and the fragrant gardens all contribute to a sense of being in a place that is not just built, but intricately woven from dreams and aspirations. This was the Sultan's summer retreat. The gardens, with their intricate irrigation systems, are a marvel of medieval engineering, offering a peaceful respite with lush vegetation, cooling water features, and breathtaking views. The Generalif stands as a serene escape from the grandeur of the Alhambra, once serving as the summer palace and rural estate of the Nasrid sultans. This garden paradise, designed with the Islamic ideal of heaven in mind, features an intricate system of courtyards, water channels, and vibrant flower beds, symbolizing the eternal flow of life and the divine. Central to the Generalif's allure are its water gardens, where the sound of flowing water and the cool shade of cypress trees offer a tranquil respite from the Andalusian sun. The Patio de la Sequia, with its long pool framed by flower beds, is a masterpiece of landscape design, reflecting the Nasrid's sophisticated understanding of gardening and irrigation. Visitors to the Generalif are treated to a sensory journey through spaces designed to evoke a paradise on earth, with each garden and courtyard revealing a new vista or hidden gem. The architects of the Generalif achieved a harmonious balance between architecture, water, and vegetation, creating a space that has inspired poets, artists, and travelers for centuries. Home to older architectural elements, the Partal features a large pond that reflects the Alhambra's stunning architecture, surrounded by arcades and gardens, highlighting the importance of water in Islamic culture. The Partal encompasses a significant portion of the Alhambra's landscape, offering a unique blend of architecture and nature that highlights the Nasrid dynasty's sophisticated approach to garden design and water management. This area is home to the remains of several palaces, towers, and the iconic Partal Gardens, which are among the oldest in the Alhambra complex. The name Partal comes from the Arabic term for portico, referring to the prominent arcade that overlooks a large reflective pool, creating a tranquil and picturesque setting. The centerpiece of the Partal is its large pond, flanked by manicured gardens and backed by the remains of a Moorish palace. The water feature serves not only as a stunning visual focal point, but also exemplifies the Islamic garden's symbolic representation of a paradise on earth. The careful arrangement of water, vegetation, and architecture in the Partal demonstrates the Nasrid's mastery of creating serene landscapes that offer both aesthetic pleasure and a cool respite from the Andalusian heat. Visitors to the Partal can wander through its gardens, admire the intricate architectural detail of its buildings, and enjoy the peaceful ambiance that pervades this part of the Alhambra. The area's elevated position provides breathtaking views of the surrounding city and countryside, further enhancing the experience of connecting with history and nature. The Partal's enduring beauty and tranquility make it a must-see for anyone visiting the Alhambra. Its gardens, water features, and architecture come together to create a harmonious space that transcends time, inviting contemplation and appreciation of artistry and the ingenuity of the past. If you're captivated by the Alhambra's rich history and stunning architecture, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick dives into the world's most fascinating sites. The Renaissance masterpiece within the Moorish citadel, showcasing the influence of European styles. The circular patio is particularly striking, symbolizing the emperor's power and artistic tastes. Within the heart of the Alhambra lies the Palace of Charles V, an imposing structure that stands out for its Renaissance architecture amidst the predominantly Islamic art of the complex. Commissioned by Charles V, Holy Roman Emperor, after his visit to Granada in 1526, this palace was intended as a symbol of Christian rule and a permanent residence for the emperor within the Alhambra. The palace's most striking feature is its circular courtyard, a unique element that showcases the Renaissance embrace of classical antiquity. Surrounded by a two-tiered colonnade, the courtyard represents a departure from the Islamic architectural traditions found elsewhere in the Alhambra. The facade combines elements of the plateresque style with classical orders, illustrating the cultural synthesis that characterizes the period of Spanish Renaissance. Despite its grand ambitions, the Palace of Charles V was never fully completed and stood partially built for centuries. Today, it houses two museums, the Alhambra Museum, with its collection of Moorish artifacts, and the Fine Arts Museum of Granada, offering visitors a glimpse into the region's artistic heritage. The inclusion of the Palace of Charles V within the Alhambra complex provides a fascinating contrast to the Islamic art and architecture that dominates the site, offering insights into the evolving history of Spain and the blend of cultures that have shaped it. Reflecting the importance of cleanliness in Islam, the baths are a fascinating insight into the daily life of the Alhambra's inhabitants. The steam rooms, cold plunge pools, and relaxation areas offer a glimpse into the communal aspects of bath culture. The baths of the Alhambra reflect the Islamic world's deep cultural emphasis on cleanliness, community, and the architectural ingenuity to integrate water into everyday life. Serving both functional and social purposes, these baths were inspired by Roman thermae, but adapted to fit the Islamic principles of purification before prayer. They showcase a sophisticated system of underfloor heating, hypocaust, and water circulation, a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the period. Located near the Palace of the Lions, the baths provided a space for relaxation, socialization, and spiritual purification for the inhabitants of the Alhambra. The layout typically includes a series of rooms ranging from cold to hot, mirroring the traditional sequence of Roman baths, but infused with Islamic architectural elements such as ornate tilework, arched doorways, and star-shaped skylights that filter light into steamy interiors. The starlit effect in the steam rooms, created by small openings in the ceiling, not only illuminated the space, but also added a spiritual dimension, simulating a night sky that reminded bathers of the universe's vastness and the presence of the divine. This architectural feature exemplifies how the Alhambra's builders merged practical needs with artistic expression and spiritual contemplation. Today, the baths serve as a captivating historical site, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the serene ambiance that once provided a retreat from the daily life of Alhambra's inhabitants. Walking through these ancient rooms, one can almost hear the echoes of water and whispers of the past, connecting us to the rich tapestry of cultures that have crossed this architectural jewel. Named for their decorative motifs and legends, these rooms showcase the zenith of Islamic craftsmanship with intricate stucco work, stalactite vaulting, and reflections on the pools. The Hall of the Abencerrajes and the Hall of the Two Sisters stand as two of the most mesmerizing chambers within the Nasrid palaces of the Alhambra, each telling a tale of architectural elegance and historical lore. These rooms are renowned for their exquisite muqarnas dome ceilings, a hallmark of Nasrid art, which create an illusion of a starlit sky, demonstrating the zenith of Islamic geometric design and craftsmanship. The Hall of the Abencerrajes derives its name from a legend involving the noble Abencerraje family, where it is said that a massacre took place within this very room, staining the fountain below with their blood. Whether truth or fiction, the tale adds to a layer of mystique to the room's already captivating beauty. The intricate latticework, stalactite vaulting, and vibrant tilework combine to produce a space that is both awe-inspiring and intimate. Conversely, the Hall of the Two Sisters features one of Alhambra's most impressive muqarnas domes, named for the two large marble slabs on the floor resembling two sisters. This room exemplifies the Nasrid dynasty's architectural sophistication, with its harmonious proportions, intricate stucco work, and the play of light that dances across its surfaces throughout the day. Both halls epitomize the artistic and cultural zenith reached by the Nasrids, blending architectural innovation with aesthetic beauty to create spaces that transcend mere function to achieve a poetic quality. The attention to detail and the depth of symbolism in these rooms reflect the Alhambra's broader significance as a monument to human creativity and ingenuity. The Alhambra's blend of cultures, history, and architecture makes it a unique treasure of the world. Share this journey with others who love exploring the past, and subscribe for more adventures in history. What historical wonders should we explore next? Your suggestions inspire our travels.